Look, the flashlight fit right in there. What you got there, Ranger Cookie? Well, I'm glad you asked. This is my fishing pole. How does it work? Well, let's find out. I was over here by the Grumpies about a month ago. Well, I'm sorry, about a week ago. 2 weeks ago. Before my accident. I was supposed to come out here to test out the cookie pole. And see how well it works. Alright, what you want to do is wind it up like this. I need some weights. You got any weights, Grumpy? And what you want to do, there you go. Practice makes perfect. Perfect. It worked good last time I was playing with it. Alright, let's try this again. Well, it's not working like I thought. It's probably good for catfishing.
Well, that one out over here works real good.
Alright, I'll be back and we'll make this for catfishing. This is my little catfishing pole. Got a little leader and about 20 feet of twine. So I'm going to take this hook off and make a catfish pole out of this. I'll be back. Alright, I'm back in business, I think. And this is the first time y'all seeing the other pole I created. Let's see if it works. I'm going for catfish, basically, or I could go for perch if I had a cork, but I forgot my corks. Basically, it's just a little bamboo stick with some ranger bands on it, a leader on it. I could just place this anywhere. The Grumpy says we might catch some catfish later on this evening. Now, I'm going to use this one for perch. So, let's find out. And what I got is a leader and a spool for catfish fish. I can put a cork on this one.
Yeah. Yeah, I was wondering what it is. Alright. Love you. Bye. I guess they took Don to the emergency room.
Oh shit.
He was up there trying to hook up a... Nah, dang, I knew that was going to happen. Trying to hook up a trailer and fell and busted his head open.
Watch my lines.
Yeah, I stepped over it. I see it. I stepped over it. Alright, I'm going to walk over here in my corner.
Alright, the second pole, I'm going to use it for, see if I can catch a perch or something. So we'll go put a little worm on it. And I'm going to cast it out. What you want to do is hold the pole straight, pull a few feet out, like so. cast. Doing the little practice run, it casts better than this. Well, let's do some more casting and see what happens. It's not working. I guess I also have to have it on the tip of the pole like this to make it work. That was weird. I was playing with this thing for about almost all night when I first created it, but I had a big weight at the end and it worked fine. Now I got this little bitty cheap ass cork hook and some weights on it, and it's not working like I want it to work. That's why we make tests. That's why we make tests, Ranger Cookie. Well, test and trial and error. There you go. I got it up there like I wanted. Now we just have to catch a fish. That's the cookie pole 2. Now I need to try the fly rod and see if it works. Alright, let's see if I can get the fish attention. One thing about this, you have to roll it in my hand, which sucks. Alright, let's try this again. Maybe I have more weights on it, it might send it out further. It still wouldn't work like I wanted. Then I could probably just stuff this in the ground and hope I catch a fish. Alright, now let's get the cookie pole. Be right back. Alright, let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. Look at that. The cookie pole is working. I got something in my face now. Let's pull it out. Oh, he got away. Alright. I caught something, alright. Oh, man. Look what I got. I got dinner. So the cookie pole. Look at the cookie pole, how it works. Alright. I have a choice. I could use this fish as bait or try to throw him back in. Well, you seen it, folks. The cookie pole does work. I just hope I catch a sea monster now. Alright, I'm gonna get my cookie pole, the other cookie pole fix. I'm putting the eyes in, so I don't want you to be bored. Alright, I'll be back. Look! My pole is catching another fish out there. Well, right now I'm gonna try to fix this the cookie pole. And put my eyes in the wood where that fish bite on that cork out there. I hope he don't take my line. Look at, he's gonna take my cork. That's a sea monster. He's taking it. let's see if I got one. Nope, I missed him. Oh, shoot. Whew. Alright, I'll be back. I'm gonna put another worm on my hook. He's just not gonna do it. Alright. Here we go. Another test. Alright, let's see if I can get the cookie pole going so I can have a fly rod, and I bet you I can catch more fish with that fly rod. Oh, look, I got another bite. Look at that. That thing works so well I can catch fish from middle of nowhere. There you go. Oh, he took it. Alright, let's see if we got this one. Cool on the face, eh? Oh, I got this one. Oh, yes, indeed. It's another baby. This one looks a little bigger. I wonder if I can put him on a hook and use him as a fish bait. But if you were starving, you'd be able to eat a couple of those. Alright. So far, 2 fish to 0 grumpy. There you go. Just a little practice, and I'll be able to cast that sucker out there like a charm. Let's back you up so you can see more. I'm gonna go ahead and roll my other pole in because I don't want to have too many poles and I can't keep up with them. So we'll roll this one up. I don't think it's attacking it. Let's see. Wait. Oh. I still got a worm on it. Nope. He ate it off. So I'm gonna put this one up. And also all I have to do is take this leader and shove it right in into the damn it, what's the name of this damn stick? Bamboo stick. Oh, look! He took it. Look, I've got it.